Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to reset the average value. So basically, when you turn on your machine or when your machine is powered on, it's going to show the 24 hours average value. If that value is not within the limits of the box, which is normally 2,700 to 3,700 on a regular system, the machine is going to complain and it's going to stop working. This value can be wrong for a few reasons. The cell is not good, there was not enough salt in the water, or someone did a reset by accident when it was not generating. Just to know, our company, what do? We repair the boards of this machine, the OmniLogic, the AquaLogic, and the ProLogic. We do not sell any cell. We're really repairing the electronic. So what do we want to do when we want to reset it? The first thing, you start on the off position, slide it to auto, and now generating turns on. We're just going to wait for the click. Or you can even push, we already click. We push this button a few times until we see this minus value. Minus means this is the instant stall reading. We were seeing 0 before, now we see 3,200. So we just flip it to superchlorinate, we flip it back to auto. And then if I push the button a few times again, I'm going to see that the value has been replaced. So now the machine is not going to complain anymore and it's going to work. If you did not do it correctly and if it's still 0 or something else, you just want to start over. You set it to off and to auto. Remember, you don't have a lot of times if the value was 0 or without being in the range. So just try to do it quickly. When we go to this value, also the minus value, on some bugs, it will start higher and within a few seconds, it will stabilize. That is normal. But you need to make sure that this value is within the range of operation, which is 2,700 to 3,500. If you're outside this range, it is just not going to work, unfortunately. So that's important. If you're not in the range, why it can be, first you need to test the water. Make sure the water has really the right salt content. Then the second thing, you want to check if the cell is programmed correctly. You can watch my other video. And if everything is good and you still see a really big gap between the value tested in the store and the value that the machine shows here, this value with the minus, then it means that the cell is probably not good anymore. So thank you for watching.